An AMSI error refers to a problem related to the Antimalware Scan Interface, or AMSI in Windows. AMSI is a Microsoft security feature used to detect malicious scripts and content. If you're seeing an AMSI error on your computer or laptop, it usually means one of the following. Your antivirus software isn't working properly, the AMSI.dll file is corrupted or missing, a script or app is being blocked, or there's a malware or PowerShell issue. Examples of common AMSI errors include AMSI.dll is missing, access to the script is blocked by AMSI, and PowerShell stops execution with AMSI-related errors. Write down or screenshot the exact error message. It will help identify the cause. Malware can tamper with AMSI to disable antivirus protection. Run Windows Security, also known as Defender. Open Start, then go to Settings, followed by Update and Security, and finally Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection and start with a quick scan, then try a full scan if needed. Optional. Use third-party tools like Malwarebytes, which offers a free trial. You can find it at malwarebytes.com. Another option is ESET Online Scanner, available at eset.com/int/home/online-scanner. If you see messages like AMSI.dll not found, re-registering the file may fix it. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Windows and X, then click Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin. Now run this command, regsvr32 AMSI.dll. You should see del register server in AMSI.dll succeeded. This will fix any corrupt system files, including AMSI components. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Then, run the command xfc/scanow. Wait for it to complete. Still in Command Prompt, run the command dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. After both scans are done, restart your system. If you're running PowerShell or scripts and AMSI blocks them, it may be due to execution policy or anti-malware scanning. Open PowerShell as admin and run set execution policy default. Alternatively, you can run set execution policy remote signed. Choose Y to confirm. Some third-party antivirus programs can cause AMSI errors or conflicts. If you're using non-Windows antivirus, try temporarily disabling it and rerunning your script or app. If the error goes away, update or reinstall your antivirus. AMSI is used by Microsoft Defender, but some antivirus software replaces or disables it improperly. If you or malware disabled AMSI manually, restore it via the registry. Open Registry Editor by typing regedit in the Run dialog. Then navigate to HKey Local Machine Software Microsoft AMSI. Make sure the key exists and is not disabled. Look for a value called AMSI_enable. If it's set to 0, change it to 1 or delete the key. Back up your registry first before making any changes. Make sure your operating system is fully up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for updates. New patches often fix AMSI or Defender issues. If none of these worked, post the full error message. Let me know, are you using PowerShell, Python, or any scripting tool? What antivirus is installed? What version of Windows are you on? I can give a more targeted fix based on those. Would you like to send me the exact AMSI error message you're seeing or tell me what you're trying to run when it happens?